Doing a good job as of now. Oh, that is good. It avoided a car. A vehicle rather, not a car. Uh, Today is uphill. Aja, aja, aja. Journey is exciting the dogs. The dogs are having early morning ball. Oh, and I'm climbing not steep road, but not so gentle road. Uh, Johnny is doing an awesome job. I'm liking it. It's 5:42 a.m. here in Kalimpong. Oh, okay. So I've taken the distance far. Yeah, so see, it goes, it understands that I. Okay, so now these dogs will have a ball now. They just started barking. It's cool. I've got to put more energy here. So, bye, bye, bye. Done, done, done. Ah, now this is the steepest hill. A very steep hill is coming up. Oh, now I'm gonna pedal hard. And let's see how it does this. Oh, it does a fabulous job. Oh, oh. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Ah. Another one there. Ah. Come on, Journey, I'm gonna push. हटो हटो भाई हटो लग जाएगा हाँ oh oh my god not for you Uh, so I'm calling it close. So it'll be up close. Nah, मजा आया उकाला another steep hill. The last of these three steep hills, inclination is around 70 degrees. Ah, ah, ah. Oh, 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 oh. I still have 50% battery and 6 minutes of 4K 60 FPS. Okay, nice. Oh, mama, mama. Lovely exercise. It's like, uh, today was quite a test for my drone, and it passed all the tests with ease. So whatever DJI is promoting on YouTube and other medias about Neo 2 is absolutely correct. It follows you like your soul. Oh, there's a dog. Uh, Hello. Johnny, you did a great job. I expected you to do a great job, but you did more than great. You are a step ahead of great. I don't want to lose you. Nice. Uh, uh, Now it's time to land. I just